रात कली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। सुबह को जब हम नींद से जागे, आँख तुम्हीं से चार हुई। रात गली एक ख्वाब में आई और गले का हार हुई। चाहे कहो इसे मेरी मोहब्बत, चाहे हंसी में उड़ा दो। ये क्या हुआ मुझको खबर नहीं, हो सके तुम ही बता दो। That was R.D. Burman. Today my tribute is to him. Today is his birth anniversary. It's his 81st birth anniversary. For people of my age, people who are senior to me, R.D. was a legend, will be a legend. I would like to give him a tribute from my end today. I know I have a very bad voice, but I love his songs. Let me start why he was lovingly called Pancham by everybody, how he got that name. When he was a child, a little one, infant, it is said that when he used to cry in the fifth note, Pa. That is the reason Pancham name was given to him. His first composition was at the age of 9. He composed the first song, "Ae Mere Topi Palat Ke Aa," and that was used by his father S.D. Burman in the film Fantush in 1956. Then again he composed another song, "Sar Jo Tera Chakraye Ya Dil Dooba Jaye." That was again used by his father in the film Pyasa in 1957. Pancham got his first break. He had composed earlier, but his first break was in the movie Teesri Manzil, 1956. Pancham, the man that he was, all his songs from the movie were super duper hits, but he gave the credit to the composer, Majrooh Sultanpuri ji. What were the songs? तुमने मुझे देखा होकर मेहरबान, रुक गई ये ज़मीं, थम गया आसमां, जाने मन जाने जा, तुमने मुझे देखा। आजा आजा मैं हूँ प्यार तेरा, ओ मेरे सोना रे सोना रे सोना रे। Then ओ हसीना जुल्फों वाली जाने जहाँ, दीवाना मुझसा नहीं इस अंबर के नीचे, आगे है कातिल मेरा और मैं पीछे पीछे. All super duper hit songs. Then he started making music for the songs like, for movies like Padosan, Jewel Thief, Prem Pujari, Aradhana, the top super hit song, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू, Rajesh Khanna starred. Though the music director was officially S.D. Burman, he had fallen sick. So the music was composed by R.D. This song and कोरा कागज था ये मन मेरा, composed by R.D. The credit was given to S.D. Burman as music director. His first wife, Rita Patel, while he was on a separation, he composed the music of one of my favorite songs from the film Parichay. He was in a hotel room and he composed this song. मुसाफिर हूँ यारो, ना घर है ना ठिकाना, मुझे चलते जाना है, बस चलते जाना. Rajesh Khanna and R.D. They are considered to be the super hit duo of Bollywood. They had 32 films together and all super hit films. Kati Patan, Ye Sham Mastani, Madhosh Kiye Ja. Then, Ye Jo Muhabbat Hai. All super duper hit songs. Then let me tell about Devanand's Hare Rama Hare Krishna. Many of us do not know that Devanand did not use the full song Dam Maro Dam because he had felt that the song was so powerful that it would overshadow the film. Dam Maro Dam, मिट जाए गम, बोलो शुभ शाम, Hare Krishna Hare Ram, Hare Krishna Hare Ram. Only a part of the song was used, not the entire song. His classical compositions, Raina Beet Jaye, from the film Amar Prem. My favorite, Buddha Mil Gaya, which I sang, Raat Kali, Ek Khwab Mein Aayi. The film was super trash, but the song still rings in our ears. Beautiful song. Then he composed this cabaret song for the film Karwa. Piya tu ab to aaja, शोला सा भर के आके बुझा जा. That was a cabaret song. Why am I talking about Pancham? Not only is it is his birth anniversary, but we lost this man at the age of 54. You know why? Because in the later part of his life, he had to beg. He had to beg for work. By that time, because when he started, at that time Daud Ibrahim was in his half pants. But in the later part of Pancham's life, the D gang, the Daud Ibrahim gang, had started controlling Bollywood. They used to control who will be the music director of which movie. And they had started promoting the music director Nadeem. And Nadeem is the same man who killed Gulshan Kumar and escaped to London. This versatile man, R.D. Burman, had to beg for work. He got his Filmfare award. Very sad that Mohammed Rafi sang the songs of R.D. Burman, composed by R.D. Burman. The music director was R.D. Burman. Mohammed Rafi got his Filmfare Award. Asha Bhosle got it, but Pancham got his Filmfare Award posthumously for the film 1942, A Love Story. That was the last movie. And it was released after his death. एक लड़की को देखा तो ऐसा लगा. What a song. Beautiful songs. All the songs of this movie. He died of heart attack. Today, because it is the age of social media, people are discussing about Sushant Singh Rajput's death, his passing away, how nepotism works in Bollywood. It used to work there also. Even Lata Mangeshkar, his sister-in-law, she had also said that R.D. died a very lonely and a sad man. A man like R.D. A man with his talent. We lost him because of the nepotism of Bollywood. They would promote the D gang. It still works there. It is still there. The best of the talent, they are crushed. They will promote who will sing, who will act, who will be the director. You get in their way, they will get you killed. That is how Bollywood works, and that is how nepotism works. And it had worked in the case of a man as versatile as R.D. Burman. And that is the reason I wanted to speak about him today. My tribute to Pancham. Thank you.